Hi everyone, my name is Gregory Mark, and today I'm going to show you how I mill 3 or 4 restorations in one block. So for that we have to use in-lab software. On your chair side software you can export via CEREC Connect to CEREC Premium, or you can send to CEREC in-lab. From that point you can open up the CEREC in-lab. You can see here the icon. You can download the information and you can design the keys. And when you get to the production, you see the produce right here, you can mill directly from the in-lab software. You can see on the side here I have marked in-lab. You have to have an in-lab milling unit, or you can export to CAM. Is what I'm going to use. So I export all these restorations, you can see them, 6 of them, to the CAM software. And the CAM software, that's the icon is right here. When you open this up, you will see it's all the job, all the restorations being exported to the CAM software. You can choose which one you want to mill right now. So for example, you can see here that the machine type is the MCXL, and also we have MCX5. So it depends on what machine you're going to use. You can designate your job. You can probably mill on both machines at the same time. But for the stock to put all the restorations together, I've been using the MCXL. So you can see on that side is a new job. You can click on the new job. You can name it as let's say test. We'll click OK. Then the screen is going to show up that's which restorations you want to take. So make sure you choose the machine type you're going to mill with. You can see that the restoration has been Emax CAT. You will choose as many restorations you wanted. For example, I've been choosing, like, I'll say 5. I'll select the blank, and you can see they have Emax 14 size. You can change it. You can put the new blank if you have 40 millimeters or 12 millimeters the blank size. So it's going to be up to you. That's which block you're going to use. And here you have to check this the block material you're going to use, and then you go next. So the software will arrange this automatically. You can see that we can put the 5 restorations together, and you can see the exclamation sign right here. That's because they don't fit into the block. So what you can do is you can minimize or remove the restoration from the block, and you can see I have 4 restorations fitted in. So to to make the connections smaller, or you can use the parameters. So for example, if you click here and you choose the parameters and you check the stock, you see that you can choose the model, the nest. So we check stock, and you can see that the connection size we can change from 3 to 5 millimeters. Restoration distance we also can change. For example, I can make this bigger, or I can make it smaller. I can make the connection, you see on the screen, thicker or smaller, or I can add the horizontal connections here. So again, you can play with the parameters the way you want it. With the exit configuration, you can see that all the restorations being placed. Okay, but here what's most important for you. So for example, if you have 40 millimeters block, here it's required block 16 millimeters. Okay, if it's going to be 40 millimeters being chosen, you will see the residual block length, how much it's going to be left. So this number you can put probably on the block or in the box where you're keeping your blocks. So make sure it's the next time you're going to mill the restoration, you can probably look at the number, the remaining the length left, so you can fit the restoration into the block. So I hope it helped. If you have any questions, please send those questions to markgregorydds@yahoo.com. Thank you very much.